Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make buko pie, easy method. Preheat oven and roll out one chilled pie crust on a floured surface. Combine young coconut meat, coconut milk, sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan, stirring until thick and translucent. Cool the filling slightly, fill the crust, top with second crust, seal edges, and brush with egg wash before baking. For a reliable buko pie filling, start by simmering coconut milk and sugar gently to avoid curdling. Whisk in cornstarch slurry gradually so the mixture thickens smoothly without lumps. Add shredded young coconut toward the end to keep texture tender and not rubbery. Remove from heat when it coats the spoon, then cool to room temperature so the filling sets properly when baked inside the crust. Bake the assembled buko pie on a middle rack to ensure even browning and a crisp bottom crust. Keep an eye for gentle bubbling through vents as a sign the filling is set. If the edges brown too quickly, shield them with foil to prevent burning. Let the pie rest after baking to finish setting, then slice carefully with a serrated knife for clean pieces with silky coconut filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.